In this video, I'll teach you how to make these amazing footwears. So I'll be using this old sole to create or generate my new sole pattern of this particular shoe. So by tracing the old sole on the paper, then you cut out using your sharp scissors. Please subscribe to this channel, give me a like and comment, ask questions under the comment section. Now I remove my heel pattern from the old sole also. So you see we have the sole pattern and the heel pattern. Remember, these palms do not have welt or gauge around it, so it is just a straight sole to floor palms. All right, so I've traced my sole on the canon aura, that's the outer sole. Now this black stuff, so you cut along your tracing line. You're not leaving space here because there's no welt allowance, so don't leave welt allowance. From there, use the heel pattern to trace out your heel region. Then you go for scraping. We're using the filing machine to scrape. Now this is not the shoemaking industrial filing machine, but it's constructed after you file or scrape out the heel region. Rub your gum on the scraped area and the heel, right? Then allow for drying. Please subscribe to this channel, give me a like on this video please, so that YouTube can show it out to so many other persons to learn the way you just watched. So after placing, you now use your mallet to hit it. That is the outer sole. Now we are creating the insole. Now this is the second segment of this video. Use the same sole pattern to cut your fiber. This is the fiber, this white stuff. Trace on the fiber left and right, then you cut using your scissors. Also, we have the fiber. Now we have the faceless or the maco. This is maco 4. So we are attaching the fiber to the maco now by rubbing our gum on both surfaces. All right, both the maco and the fiber. After that, allow for drying, then place it. Apply pressure using your mallet. You cut. So we have our fiber and maco plus the outer sole. Then attach them or gum them together partially, because you'll be detaching to wrap it up. So you place, then you go for filing using the filing machine. Once you're done filing, detach it again. Now you see why we rub our gum partly. Then we are wrapping the insole. Now this is the insole. Then you trace, rub your gum on the material, the wrapping material, and also the maco. Please don't wrap the fiber surface, wrap the maco. Once you're done, you gum them together, apply pressure, then rub your gum again on the side and on the fiber. Now allow for drying, then you cut. Once you're done cutting, you wrap. You close up. Avoid contour by following the curves. Wrap inside. Apply pressure. Please like this video. So we are going to stitch our floor to give it another beautiful look. So use the sewing machine to stitch, give your floor a beautiful look. So after stitching, we go for molding, or what we call lasting. This is our last. This is last size 30. Guess the size. in the comment section, guess it right, and win a special video from me. So we are molding using the top. Now if you want me to show you how this top is being made, comment, please show me in the comment section. The top is easy to make. There's a flip, there's a main top, then there's a flip of shiny material, like this glittering material on top. So just comment, please show me in the comment section, okay? And I'll make another video to show you guys how to make this top. All right, so once you last, you're going for folding. Sorry, once you're done molding, then you rub your gum to place it, to gum it permanently. All right, so yeah, then you place and hit with your mallet detached. You can see the shoe is becoming a work done equal to 100. So you can see, please like this video. After that, just scrape using your filing machine. Then you can now rub your gum carefully, avoid gum staining. Right, and you rub also on the outer sole. Allow for drying, then we place. Now you can see it's drying. Now we place gently from the front to the back. Place gently, gum it up, and you hit with your mallet. Then you do the finishing work, clean up the gum stains around the sole, apply finishing glue, Mr. Bond, if you have openings, and your shoe is ready. Please like this video. If you watch up to this point, I'm sure you learned something. Please write my name, ABC Shoes, in the comment section. God bless you. See, our shoe is ready. I hope you love this, and I hope you learned something new. If you want to see the video of the top, how to create the top, just comment, please create, then I'll show you.